Discover how you can create a jig template from Illustrator to be imported in PrintAutoMate in less than 2 minutes. To quickly rename paths, I'm going to use a script from github.com. To add this script in Illustrator, just copy the file and then paste it on the following Adobe folder. The first thing we have to do is to create the contour or shape of your object. In this example, I'm going to create a jig for 35mm circular acrylic keyrings. We create the first copy on the bottom right corner. The path name that Illustrator creates by default will not be recognized by PrintAutoMate. Path names have to start with the letter S and then the number S1, S2, S3, etc. Remember that PrintAutomate will start filling the jig in the order of the path name. For this reason, to optimize the printing time, you have to name the paths from right to left. To quickly rename the paths, we recommend you to create the copies in the following order. First, you have to create the copies in a column starting from the first copy in the bottom right corner. Select the circle and copy it. Then use the transform each function to create all the copies of the first column. Using the combination of Ctrl plus D keys, you can create multiple copies. Then select all the objects of that column and use transform each function to create multiple columns until you fill all the artboard. To rename all the paths, select all the circles and then click on Filing, then Scripts. Select the script called Rename Items. The Rename Item script will be displayed. Type S and the click on Descending Number button. To finalize, write 1 in the Start Number field. Click on OK button, and then all the paths will be renamed with a recognizable structure name for PrintAutomate. If you scroll down, probably you will not see the correct naming, but it is because of a screen refresh issue. Just click on the artboard and the names will be displayed correctly. To import the jig in PrintAutomate, just save the file as SVG format. Remember to select Use Artboard to make sure you only save the artboard. Log in PrintAutomate with your administrator user. Click on Settings and then Jigs. Click on Import Jig button to load the SVG file. Select the jig and click on Edit button. All the objects have been created in the correct order without having to spend a lot of time renaming the paths one by one.